Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss an update.
With several countries around the world racing for a vaccine to fight against COVID-19, UK became one of the first countries to start rolling out the PFIZER vaccine to all its citizens, and it would be available across the country in a phased manner. The student community will be delighted to know that the UK government has expressed its commitment to support international students during COVID-19. The Department of Health and Social Care (DHSC) has confirmed that international students will be able to access these vaccinations just as they are able to access the healthcare. This is a very good news for everyone, and we are hopeful that those who had plans to study in the UK have just one more reason to head there. That's exactly the kind of positivity we needed before the holiday season. From the University Living team, this is Sunidhi Shahi signing off.